In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an event calendar in WordPress. Unfortunately, since WordPress doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elf-site platform. Once you click on the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it and then head over to the right hand side of the screen, which is where you will find the tools section right here. Then if you go down, you will see event calendar right here. Click on that and that's going to take you to the event calendar widgets page. From here, I want you to click on this create a widget for free button. And then that's going to take you to the event calendar template section. So on the left hand side here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different event calendar templates. And then on the right hand side here, you have a little preview of what each of these templates will look like on your WordPress website. Now bear in mind that this is for desktop right now, but if you click here on this mobile icon, you can actually change that to mobile and see what the template will look like if it was to be browsed through a mobile device. Now bear in mind that these templates are not final in terms of design. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on here, including the times, the font with the text, the background colors, the button color, the text, or the dates even, everything that you see. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. So yeah, go ahead and choose the template that you like the most out of the templates that are available. In my case, I'm going to go for the team games schedule because I quite like the look of it. And then go ahead and click on continue this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then once you've done that, you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we can now start customizing the event calendar to our liking. But before we make any customizations, we first need to update the widget with our events. So you can do this in two different ways. You can either manage your events manually, or you can connect the widget to your Google Calendar, and that way it will automatically pick up any new events and it will add them to the widget automatically, and that way it will also update on your website automatically as well. But in my case, I'm going to go for the manual entry right here. So click on that, and as you can see here, all the different events that you see on the screen on the right hand side. So to delete an event, click on the three dots, click on delete, and then it will disappear from the right hand side. If you want to add an event, you can click on add event here, and then obviously set the event name, the start and the end time, when it is taking place, the time zone, repeat, description right here. And as you can see, there's loads and loads of different customizations that you can set. In my case, I'm not going to add any events because I've already got plenty right here. Then you can also choose whether you want to display your past events, etc. Then on the left hand side here, this is where you can customize the actual widget itself in more detail. So for example, in the background here, if you want to change the color of the background, we can do that. So for example, I can make it blue like this, or I can make it orange or whatever. In this case, I'll keep it white because it looks quite nice and neat. You can also change it to a gradient or image or a video, by the way. But yeah, like I said, I'm not going to get into too much detail about every single customization that you can make here. There's a lot of tweaks that you can make to make this event calendar truly your own. And once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then your event calendar widget will be saved up. Then what we need to do is go ahead and publish it. So in the top right corner of the screen right here, you will see a green publish button. I want you to click on it. This will take you to the plans page, which will look just like this. Here, what we need to do is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elf-site, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports one widget. However, if you want to unlock more functionalities, or if you want to add more than one widget to your WordPress website from Elf-site, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different ones that you can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save some money on top, which is quite nice. But in my case, since this is just a tutorial, this is the plan that I've gone with right here, as you can see. And yeah, once you have selected a plan that you want to go with, you will then be automatically taken to the page where you can copy the code for your event calendar widget. It will look just like this, and from here simply click on copy code, and then let's head over to WordPress so we can integrate it. Now when it comes to integrating your event calendar, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is go to the page where you want to add it to, and then in the top left corner of the screen you want to click on this plus icon, and then in the search bar search for HTML, and then click on custom HTML right here. Once you've done that, a custom HTML block will be added to your page. Simply paste the code we just copied previously from Elf-site, give it a couple of seconds, and then click on preview. And then almost immediately, you will see your event calendar appear on your page. As you can see, this is what it looks like for me. And as you can see, it's also fully interactive. I can click on each event here, as you can see, and find out more information about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add an event calendar in WordPress. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.